Yo, 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 this is Mr. O. Yo, yo. How are you, Miles? Morning. Good. So here we're being asked to graph f of x equal to x to the fourth minus 2x squared minus 2x minus 2. You gotta give the all this component or characteristic of this function. We're gonna need our calculator, so let's go ahead now. So first thing you need to do here, guys, is to punch this in your calculator. Can someone help me to give me the problem here, please? Hold on. Big boy, give me the problem, please. X to the fourth minus 2x squared. Okay. Minus 2x minus 2. Graph it. Ooh. Okay. All right. By inspecting the graph, guys, here, what do you notice about the end behavior? They're pointing where? Upward, same direction. How many minimum do we have here? If we zoom it, guys, zoom in. Just want to see some of this part here. Dang it. There you go. If you zoom in, there's no change of direction, right? Can you see it? There's no change of direction. It's just like slowed down a little bit. So in this case here, how many minimum do we have? How many minimum do we have? I just said I zoom it to you. Zoom in. Do you see any change of direct there's a turning point here? No. So there's only one turning point or one minimum over here. Okay. 3. All right. So if we graph it, okay, approximate, no, we can just do it here like this. This is your minimum value. Do we have a max? There's no max here. Do you agree? There's no max. Good. And this is your, yeah, the yellow one is your what? Increasing or decreasing interval? Decreasing, and everything in the blue will be your increasing interval. Okay. What's your y-intercept? Just by looking at the equation. Look at the equation. What's the y-intercept? That's 0 there, that's 0 there, that's 0. What's left? -2. And that's how you complete it. So let's plot it now. So we know it's gonna cross at -2 here. We know the graph start on top and it ends on top. The degree here is fourth degree. The leading coefficient is 1 or +1, right? The end behavior here, as x approach where? Can you help me, Cooper? Very good. The y is approaching where? Good job, Hannah. And the y is approaching where, ma'am? Very good. What's the y-intercept, Ellie? 0, -2. Emily, how many is the most turning points? We only have one, you're right. But what's the most number of possible turning points? 3. Okay. The meaning of that one, there could be 3 turning points, could be 2 or 1. But it cannot have 4 turning points. Okay. Because the most you can have is degree -1 or 3. Maximum. Do we have a maximum here, Nate? Nope. So put there none. Minimum, Jacob, Medlin. Okay, sorry. I have to show it to your classmate, you know. Thank you. So how do you find the minimum here? Okay, so you got the graph here. We know that this is the minimum. Second trace, go to minimum, press 3, bring it to the left side. That's the left bound there. Enter. Go to the right side. Enter. Guess question mark. Enter for the third time. Did you get the same, sir? Okay, good. We'll round up nearest tens to keep it uniform and simple. So the minimum here will be what now, big boy? 1.2, comma, negative 5.2. Are we all good with that one? So the minimum is 1.2, comma, negative 5.2, right? So plot the points, 1.2 approximately here, negative 5.2 right there. So we'll connect them. Just try to graph and copy it as much you can. It's going to be a rough or sketch graph. Increasing interval, we know that's increasing here in this yellow one here. So where does it start, Chase? 1.2. We only count the x value, right? To the positive infinity. Very good. This will be the tricky decreasing interval here. Chapman, what's the decreasing interval? Very good, because starting from the left, right? Mr. O, that's going up. No, we're looking at it on the x value. That's going to the left, right? That's from the left. Very good, Chapman. Up to where, sir? And we never use bracket here, always parentheses. Very good, guys. Are we all good here? Raise your hand if you understand this one, guys. Good job. All right, let me